it's the best room in the house.
Yeah, the garden is
the
the best room
garden.
in the house.
Yeah, we're so proud of it. We are so proud of it, yeah. Matt would just had so many ideas, and he was
just straight away,
really
he was
relaxed
just
about everything. And
interesting, excited about the work,
Yeah.
had ideas,
Yeah.
and that's what we wanted.
Our experience with Matt's team was excellent. They're so polite, they're so personable, they're so hardworking as well.
Yeah.
So they would just
Rain or
get
shine,
head
they just
down,
get on with
and
it.
they would get
Yeah.
on with it. They were real worker bees.
And nothing was ever a problem. I mean, obviously we had some challenges along the way, but they were all solvable.
Never grumpy, always
No, and
smiling.
they
weren't
were.
They were just, they were such a pleasure to
happy
have
to
around.
help.
Hence, we would have them back.
One of the key things for me, it was all about communication. Working in London and working all the time, I feel quite detached from the day-to-day, but there was always communication and we knew what was happening from one day to the next. I can't nail it down to one thing. I love the patio because it's where we socialise. I love the trees because they're stunning. And everyone comments on the trees. But everyone comments on the beds as well, the plants in the beds and how beautiful it looks.
It's the fact.
The patio's
no,
the main thing.
actually, the fact that the garden is now on one level. Because we said, and the team said at the time, Cowen Landscapes said to us, you can't see the months, the weeks, however long it was, and the sweat, blood and tears that went into actually producing the garden on one level. You don't actually see that because you don't, unless you knew what it was like before, you don't realise how much work has gone into it to make a usable garden. And that is my favourite part.
For me, it's professionalism, communication, even just
the end result.
Even just the way they look. They're all branded. They come up in branded T-shirts. They look like the real deal.
But yeah,
and they are the real deal.
If we're saying to our friends, why would you have Cowen Landscapes? It's just you're going to get a great garden out of it.
Come and have a look,
and you will completely change, like your garden. However you think, you start to have ideas of how your garden could possibly look. They will blow it out of the ocean. Your garden will look 100 times better than you actually think in your head, because this isn't just a gardener coming round and putting a couple of little plants in. This is a proper professional landscaping
It's so exceeded our expectations.
It will exceed your expectations, yeah. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. We're so pleased, aren't we?
Yeah.
And now we have a new job for Matt. He doesn't realise it yet, but he now needs to landscape
our front garden.
Our front garden.